Good morning friends, welcome again to my channel. Today it's a cleaning day, it's the bathroom cleaning day, and I am so excited to show you guys one more bathroom cleaner. I'm also going to cover some bathroom spray that you can just spray it on your toilet bowl or on the top of the toilet seat. Just if you have little children who are running around and they are not doing their job right, you know what I mean? So you don't have to panic or freak out or use Clorox or anything that's going to damage your nervous system. So let's get started. Let's see how we can do it the most simplest way with simplest ingredients that you don't have to run out and you already have in the comfort of your own home, and make it in the comfort of your home. This is a do-it-yourself bathroom cleaner. Let's get started. Over here I have a baking soda. This is just the Arm & Hammer baking soda. You don't need to go for aluminum free. This is fine. Unless you're consuming it, you have to go for aluminum free baking soda. Always remember that. This is the sea salt. And I have my very favorite apple cider vinegar. You can also use white distilled vinegar in the place of this. If you don't like this, you can use that. And I have the Castile Soap over here. And this is a lavender flavor. And I have an empty spray bottle and a funnel and a medium bowl to mix. And over here is my favorite essential oils. I have the tea tree oil, I have the Clary sage over here, and I have the grapefruit. You can also use lemon essential oil or the orange essential oil. It doesn't matter. I like this combo. And over here, let's get started. I have 3/4 of this baking soda, and I have 1/4 of sea salt, and we are also going to use 1/4 of the Castile soap and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And these are your choice, 10 or 25 drops each. And let's get started. Okay, the first step is we mix the baking soda and the salt, and I have taken a stirrer over here just to combine them and make it like a thick mixture over here without the lumps, because the baking soda sure can form lumps. I want to make sure they're lump free. I tried my best, but I'm just going to go ahead and use the apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of that. And as you can see, it is going to form like that because of the baking soda and vinegar combo. And over here, I'm just going to take a 1/4 cup of Castile soap. By the way, this is lavender flavored. And just put it in like that. I'm just going to give it a stir. Baking soda has so many of uses. You can use it for anything and everything in your household, but definitely avoid the granite countertop because it is going to rupture the surface of the granite. We're going to add some water to this, but before that I'm just going to add my tea tree oil. 10 or 25 drops, because tea tree is also antibacterial, so it will really add a great piece to your bathroom. And over here I have the Clary sage, but you can definitely use a lemon oil, or freshly squeezed lemon also helps. This is 10 drops. Over here is the grapefruit. Some people add orange essential oils in the place of grapefruit, but I like grapefruit better. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and grab some water. Okay, now we're going to mix it really well. You want to make it like a solution, so that way all you have to do is spray on your bathroom. Just leave it there for like 10 to 15 minutes and wipe it clean. Here we go. I'm going to add a little bit of more water. It depends on how much you need. There we go. So by the way, this is warm or hot water, so it blends in very well. Do not use cold water for this recipe. You need warm or hot water. I have used 1 cup of that. So here we go, it's ready. I'm just going to go ahead and take my sprayer and my funnel, and I'm going to fill it. It smells so good. Okay. And have a medium-sized bowl that has a spout like that so it doesn't overspill. There you go. Okay, what I have done is I have poured everything into it, cleaned it really nice, and now I'm going to shake it, and then you can use a spray like that. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. I shouldn't be spraying it on the wood, but anyways, I just wanted to show how clean it becomes. And I'm going to take a paper towel. I'm just going to show wipe clean. And as you can see, wow, look at that. It smells so good with the Clary sage and my grapefruit essential oil, not to mention the tea tree oil. And here we go, your very own homemade do-it-yourself bathroom cleaner is ready. Let's get cleaning.